Good morning, friends. Welcome to day 7 of my Heart 10 challenge. आज की सुबह थोड़ी स्लो स्टार्ट थी. For some reason, I wasn't feeling well. I nudged myself out of bed and made myself some green tea. The days that I'm not feeling quite myself, I try to assess the situation and then decide whether I want to push myself or take it slow. Today was not the day. I went back in bed again and my husband got me a nice cup of hot chai. About 1 घंटे का रेस्ट करने के बाद I found my strength and headed to the gym. I've enrolled myself in a dance class today, but also promising that I will not overexert. Taking it easy is also a form of self-care. कभी कभी खुद को ये कहना भी ज़रूरी है that I'm there for you and I understand you. Most times हम अपने आप से बहुत हार्श होते हैं. सोसाइटी हमें यही सिखाती है कि स्ट्रगल करना ही द राइट वे टू सक्सेस है. क्लास वॉज फन. ख़त्म करके आई एम ऑन माई वे बैक होम. मेरे रास्ते में ये जाइगेंटिक ट्री आता है. Look at its thick trunk and its ever-spreading branches. I wonder how old it is. 200 years? ब्रेकफास्ट में कल का बचा हुआ सांभर और इडलीज हैं. मैंने थोड़ा सा पपाया भी खाया and that was it. Usually when I'm not feeling myself, I watch something absolutely mindless. I'm watching season 2 of Dubai Bling. After breakfast, I made myself some black coffee. To be honest, I'm addicted to my first cup of coffee in the day. अगर मैं ये नहीं पीती तो मेरा सर दर्द होने लग जाता है. I know it's not a good habit, but it is what it is, and I just go with it. आज सैटरडे है, वीकेंड है, इसलिए बाहर जाने का प्लान ज़रूर बनेगा. आज के आउटफिट के लिए मैंने ये कॉटन की येलो ड्रेस निकाली है. इट्स क्वाइट ओल्ड बट आई हैवंट रियली worn it a lot of times. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है whether I'm doing the right thing by recording all these mundane tasks that I do every day. I wonder whether anybody would even be interested in watching these videos. But to be honest, making these daily vlogs has made me fall in love with my life. I have really started finding joy in the little things that I do. ये एस्थेटिक्स की दुनिया में जहाँ पर हर चीज़ एकदम परफेक्ट दिखाई जाती है, my little imperfect life with its quirks here and there feels just so comforting. It is my true intention to document my day just the way it is, with no filters and no makeup. So here's the look of the day. मैंने अपनी ड्रेस के साथ ये ऑफ वाइट स्लिप-ऑन्स पहने हैं. It's going to be an easy day. We might just go to a cafe to have some coffee or a small meal. For jewelry, मैंने कुछ sleek necklaces को layer किया है. I usually have a small meal before I step out. This helps me not order too much of outside food. And so आज भी I'm having a small portion of brown rice and some chicken curry. आज हमने एक नई जगह जाने का डिसाइड किया. There's a new cafe in JP Nagar called Cafe Iris. It was so beautiful. It had many seating options. some in the open by the water, some in the open but yet under a shade, and the usual seating indoors. The look of the cafe was very industrial and minimal. Because of the open floor plan and the use of neutral color palettes, the vibe was airy and very cool. We were very lucky to get a table right by the water body. And oh, did I tell you, they do specialty coffees? कॉफ़ी और स्नैक्स के साथ हमने वहाँ पे कई घंटे बिताए. It was indeed really nice to step out and chit-chat without really worrying about any of our responsibilities back at home. घर वापस पहुँच के my husband was feeling very sleepy and hence he went upstairs and I decided to complete my night stroll. आज काफ़ी दिनों बाद अकेले वॉक की. ऊपर पहुँच के देखा तो मेरे लिए एक सरप्राइज़ वेट कर रहा था. मैंने एक फ्लावर सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स के लिए एनरोल किया है. बेसिकली व्हाट दे डू इज़ कि ये कुछ रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे दैट यू गेट टू डिसाइड सेंड अ कलेक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर्स टू योर डोर. द होल आइडिया इज़ टू अनरैप ऑल द फ्लावर्स ऑन योर ओन and to make your own arrangement. I think this resonates quite well with the concept of finding joy in doing things with your own hands. I thoroughly enjoyed this process and have recorded the entire thing end to end for you. आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट एट दिस एक्टिविटी, लेकिन मैंने अपना बेस्ट ट्राई किया. मैंने स्टॉक्स को अलग अलग लेंस में काटा है ताकि पूरी अरेंजमेंट को एक वॉल्यूमनेस लुक मिले. ये ऑल ओवर काफ़ी एंगेजिंग एक्टिविटी थी एंड मुझे आराम से 35 to 40 मिनट्स लग गए टू कंप्लीट दिस होल टास्क. I think I've done a pretty decent job. What do you think? वैसे to be honest, fresh flowers कभी बुरे लग ही नहीं सकते. All right, time to have some dinner. My husband's having his favorite palak paneer and roti, and I got myself made some stir fry with some palak chicken. As you must notice, मैं usually dinner में कम carbs और ज़्यादा प्रोटीन खाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. आज मुझे कुछ नींद नहीं आ रही थी, so I decided to have some green tea to put myself to sleep. Decaffeinated green tea usually मुझे help करती है, especially those evenings when I'm not feeling quite as tired. मुझे काइज़न पढ़ने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है and I would recommend this book to every single one of you. I can't emphasize enough on how easy it is to read and even apply in your own daily life. और इसी के साथ we have come to the end of another successful day. मुझे आज बहुत मज़ा आया. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. कल फिर मिलते हैं day 8 के लिए. Take care of yourself. Bye.